If you want to insert SIM card into your Samsung A36 5G, first of all, you will have to just grab your phone like this. The SIM slot is located at the bottom. Now you'll have to grab that SIM tool, which you can find inside the box, and you will have to apply it just right here, inside this part. Now you will have to press, remove, grab it by using your fingernails, and as you can see right here, we can find two slots for SIM cards. So we have to grab one of the SIM card and apply it like this with this cutout on the right side. Now to put the SIM tray back, we have to align this dot with the dot on the SIM tray that is located right here on the left side. Now just use your finger and gently put it inside. Then you will have to click OK. And after a few seconds, you will find out that you successfully insert your SIM card. As you can see here, we can find information about the Wi-Fi calling, which means that the card is inside.